Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are making another card with one of our new stamp sets. This is the first card I made using the Happy Together stamp set illustrated by Lusana Lowry. And you can see the male hand without the watch and with the watch. I used the Happy Anniversary stamp set for those cards. We're going to switch it up and use the sentiments here. You make me so happy. Now for the Happy Anniversary stamp, what you'll need to do is cut the Happy and the Anniversary right in half. Just make those into two separate stamps. Now it's not going to hurt your stamp at all. It's just going to stretch your stamp so you can use it with the other sentiments, and you can also stack the Happy Anniversary, so in case you want to do a different layout. So just take your plain scissors and cut straight across, and then you can just butt them back up together if you want to use them together. So I switched it up. I got out our brand new paper pad, My Sweet Valentine. So I used that. I used that glittery pink paper for my mat. Super, super pretty. And then I used that geometric shaped paper there for the background, and I thought that turned out really cute. In my previous video I showed how I made some tattoos on the male arm, so I did take a stamp from another stamp collection and just stamped it on. It was actually some foliage, but I thought it looked like a tattoo. So think about your stamps, what you have that you can use for tattoos. I thought that was something fun to do. Maybe you want to personalize it, give a card to someone that has tattoos, and you can draw to match their tattoo. So I decided to use black paper with some white embossing powder to create the sentiments here. I like that bold look up against the white. So I'm just going to go heat emboss the sentiment. I'll be back. I'm also going to add some foam tape to the back of my sentiment, and I'm going to cut these words in little rectangles and arrange them on the card. The two little hearts in the corner there are from our brand new ephemera pack that matches this paper collection. So it does match perfectly, and I thought that would look cute right there in the bottom hand corner. So I'm going to add some gems from Trinity Stamps just sprinkled around the card, and I think that gives it the last remaining touch that it needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card, and I'll have the link to the stamp set down below. There's only a handful of boxes left. When you do buy the box, you get 15% off retail. The stamps are sold individually as well, and you can use my coupon on those for 10% off, and the code is Jamie. The code's not valid on the box because the discount is already factored into the price. So thanks guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!